I'm meteorologist Amy Sweezey, and this is Bolt, the ultimate seacoaster. Bolt, the first roller coaster at sea, is a popular attraction on board Carnival's XL class ships. Bolt is an all-electric roller coaster. And since it's operating on a moving ship, and safety is key to the fun, there are certain precautions that must be taken, especially as it relates to weather. So to ensure guest safety, of course, thunderstorms cause a pause in Bolt's operations, as anyone would expect. Sometimes Bolt is still paused even after the sun comes out, and that's just because the track needs time to dry after any amount of rain. Additionally, the ship's teams keep close watch over wind speeds. Any winds exceeding 45 miles per hour or 39 knots prohibit Bolt's safe operation. After any weather-related pause in operation, the team on board follows specific safety checks and procedures to reopen Bolt. I'm Carnival Weather Contributor Amy Sweezey. Have fun, be safe.